Ma'am, just 3 minutes. Actually, I've studied in a village. I'm one of the best example of teachers creation. I studied in a village and I was not able to speak English so fluently. Hope my English is okay. Okay. Good. Though you can very well understand that I've studied in a village school, but my teachers were 6 international teachers. They come to me, they come to my place and teach. Do you know who were there? One is Tejeshwar Singh. Do you know him? One is Tejeshwar Singh, Meenu Talwar, Nidhi Ravindran, Sukanya Balakrishnan, Suneet Tandon. They were all Doordarshan news readers. I used to listen Doordarshan news at that time, used to have one pen, and I was not able to speak on mic. It was 2-3 minutes. I think. Chalega. So I was not able to speak on mic. So there were two teachers. One is Master Hansraj. He was my sports teacher, and one is Master Prem. He was my Hindi teacher. So Master Hansraj, sports teacher 24/7, is possessed by Patiala. Okay, and Prem sir is also contemporary of Master Hansraj. So I remember the movie Devdas. One is Devdas and the other is Chunni Bhai. They were two totally possessed with Patiala 24/7. Patiala is C2H5OH, ma'am. This is very famous all over the world. It's a wine, peg, Patiala peg. So a teacher was getting retirement. In our time, the retirement of a teacher is celebrated in the morning assembly. Just they put garland and all and they say, okay, bye. Then he kicked me. He said, okay, stand up, sing a song for retirement function. Then I just took a mic. Will you permit me for 2 minutes? Will you? His Hansraj sir, his Prem sir. So I started the mic like this. I said, आपके अनुरोध पे मैं ये गीत सुनाता हूँ, मैं ये गीत सुनाता हूँ, अपने दिल की बातों से आपका दिल बहलाता हूँ, आपके अनुरोध पे मत पूछो औरों के दुख में, ये प्रेम कवि क्यों रोता है, मत पूछो औरों के दुख में, ये प्रेम कवि क्यों रोता है, बस चोट किसी को लगती है और दर्द किसी को होता है, दूर कहीं कोई दर्पण टूटे, तड़प के मैं रह जाता हूँ, आपके अनुरोध पे. गाना खत्म. And Hansraj sir is poor in Hindi. He asked Prem sir, what is the meaning of Anurodh? He said, request. He said, will I request you? He slapped me again. And he said, what do you say? Prem kabhi rota hai. But you sing very well. Just last, but not on me. तो मैंने इन्फ्लुएंस आ गया इथाइल अल्कोहल. मैं क्या, मुझे दुनिया वालों शराबी न समझो, मैं पीता नहीं हूँ, पिलाई गई है. आगे सर बोलता, जहां बेखुदी में कदम लड़खड़ाए आ तनु दिखावा राह. तो ही अगेन डिड इट. ही सेड, मैं कहा, मास्टर जी प्लीज डोंट पनिश मी. नाउ लास्ट सॉन्ग विल नॉट बी ऑन यू. आई टुक अ माइक. आई सेड, ओ हंसनी मेरी हंसनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ रे उड़ चली, आजा तेरी राह में भटक रहा रे तेरा हंसा. अब जैसे मैंने बोला हंसा, he has got a danda, he has thrown on me, because Hansraj ki wife with love call him Hansa, and Hansraj with love call his wife, oh Hansani. So dear teachers, टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है किसी भी बंदे की जिंदगी में उसको ऊपर ले जाने का. तो यू डोंट नो हु आर यू. जैसे हेमोग्लोबिन ऑक्सीजन लेके जाता है, आप नॉलेज का हेमोग्लोबिन हो सर. सो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर शैमरॉक. एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड सेशन. एंड एमडी सर, आई एम हाईली ग्रेटफुल दैट यू took so much time to attend this workshop.
Thank you, sir.
You want to say something?
From what I understand, the vote of thanks is already done. Yes? The vote of thanks was already done? All right. I just like to say a few words. So we are just not enlightened and awakened today. I recognize from their faces that we are reborn in principles, perspectives, performance, passion, and in spirit too. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Yeah. And thank you, Ashish Bansal, for providing us with the right person. Thank you, Sukhmeet, sir, for providing us with such opportunities.
I would like to wish that you should be with us, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, each and every one of you. So it's like I always say, ours is a very good team. All right, just work upon your.
Sir, बहुत अच्छा उपराला है.
Sir and his team.
बहुत अच्छा उपराला है. It's a great effort you are making. And sir, वो उड़दा पंजाब नहीं है, पढ़दा पंजाब है. This is a learning Punjab. This is not flying Punjab.
Take the first slide.
Sir is
First
really
slide.
keen on the academics. He is full-time involved into the school. He, along with his wife, comes earlier than the teachers, I think.
Yes, yes.
And goes after the teachers.
He's even
This is his dedication towards the school.
even on Sundays he's here.
Amazing. God bless you. Vaheguru bless you with more success, sir.
And
It's a good chance for you, the teachers, that you are working with him.
Yes.
As a team.
yes, yes, they are blessed. It's not a good change. You're all blessed to have someone as him as the chairman. All right. And that child who was crying all along, I was busy with my work. He was the one who took care of that child.
Wow, great. So I've learned a lot of things today from you all, and I've seen that teachers are. I would like to give one compliment that recruitment of teacher is awesome. Your all teachers are superb.
Yes.
Well equipped with the knowledge, whether it's a math or science or Hindi or English. They are all well equipped and very nice. ਹੁਣ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. The whole world is squeezing to a dot. Guru Nanak Sahib says na ek noor te jak upje kaun bhale ko mande. The Big Bang theory. Now world is squeezing to a dot. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is happening in America? You get in fraction of second, right? So I wish you a great good luck for the new session. Let you work with more energy. Everybody is having a problem. We too all have a problem. But when you enter in class, we should be problem free. So thank you, Honorable Principal Ma'am.
Now, as a love and sign of appreciation, we like to give you a set of. Yes. Give it to sir. Sir, please.
Thank you.
Ashish. Yes, yes.
Ashish, you should be in the frame. Sir, मेरे साथ बोलो. Show off. Speak loudly. Show off is very important.
It's very important.
For show on, provided you have content.
Yes.
आता है ना? शो डालो, मुझे आता है, तभी पता लगेगा. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we like to have a photo. Go get Pardeep. Quickly, go get Pardeep. Photo.
Yeah.